Today I'm going to be replacing a failed headlamp bulb on the right side of my Volvo, or the offside as we'd call it in the UK. And it's the worst side to do. There's very little room down here, but it is doable without removing everything. And there's the other side, just to show you the difference. So what I like to do, you see this little tab here, you can kind of see the shape of it there. It's like a D shape with a square. Just grab hold of it there and rotate anti-clockwise and just gingerly wiggle this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the headlamp bulb just by giving it a little wiggle. It should wiggle off, and then we've got the bulb in its wire cage. So the way to deal with this is to push that in there and push in the direction of the wing. So it's down and across. And I'm going to need 2 fingers for that. So the bulb comes out now, and just observe, you see that tab at the top, just there, keep that upright. So I've got a replacement bulb here, and I've unpackaged that. You see I've got the tab pointing towards the sky. Be extremely careful not to touch the glass as commonly advised. Now for the tricky bit. So I've got the tab upright. Just jiggle around and get it in as flat as possible. There, that's it. When it's in flat, push the spring clip down towards the front of the car and then reconnect. So I've got the back. I'm going to keep that tab nearest the wing of the vehicle. See, there's a bit of wiring popped out there. We don't want that fouling. Just manipulate it in position as best you can. It's reasonable. It just goes with a little click. That took a bit of finding. I've done it in one take.
And that is how you can replace your car's headlamp bulb in around 3 minutes. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more low-cost repair solutions.